So now the guys at Co-Kunst, they sent me this wine opener, right? And it's really nice. It's made out of plastic, but it's really hard plastic. And I want you guys to take a look at how nice it looks, right? It comes with everything you need. This is the battery compartment right there. And I'll tell you what this thing that you see at the in the bottom is. It's really nice. Now, listen. That's how loud it is. It doesn't get too loud. Now, you see this right here? You take it off, and this tool is the one that you use. You put it on top of the bottle, and you twist it, and it removes the foil paper that is usually on the wine bottles, right? That is used to seal wine bottles hermetically. Now, let's imagine that we did that, and then I have this bottle, right? This wine, and the cork has been in there for a long time. And now, this is the way that we're going to remove this cork, okay? So you put it on top of the bottle, and then you press this button right here. So let's maybe lower it so you see it. And you press. So you see, it's going down. So it went all the way down into the bottle. And now, what it's supposed to do is, it's going to remove the cork, and it's going to stop automatically. Okay? Let's do it. And that's it. The cork has been removed, and it's somewhere in there. So, I guess you press it the other way. Oh yeah, you press it the other way, and then you can have the thing spit out the cork. You see that? Spit out the cork. There you go. And there you go. And that way, you can, have a nice glass of wine. You don't have to do it forcefully. You know that you'll be able to open your wine bottles and enjoy them without any hassle. And this is beautiful. It's easy to use. Wow, this wine smells really good. So, and this is how it looks, right? It has a lot of strength. It requires 4 AA batteries that are not included, so make sure that you get those. And if you can, while you're at it, get rechargeable batteries if you're gonna make a lot of use of this thing, because it requires a lot of torque, and I'm gonna imagine that it'll go through batteries. So thank you the guys at Co-Kunst for sending me this, and I'll be using this a lot. The good thing is that you can reseal it really nice, and then save that wine.